The Stitch Buzz Curve Runner is a sewing ruler that measures any curved line. It also comes with a custom silicone handle and directions on the back of the package. It is precision cut and made from cast acrylic in the USA. It's put together by hand and calibrated for smooth rolling. The ergonomic handle shape and silicone grip makes the Curve Runner comfortable to use. Curve runners come in 4 sizes, the standard 8 and 12 inch circumference, as well as the metric 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter rulers. The clear acrylic wheel allows you to see through the ruler, never leaving your line out of sight. First, mark the location of your seam allowances, because this is the actual line that you'll be measuring. The green seam allowance rulers by Stitch Buzz make this task fast and easy. If the seam allowance intersects with another seam allowance, start measuring at that intersection. Then start with the 0 down and roll on the stitch line. The Curve Runner is particularly useful for measuring curved lines on patterns or other drafted designs. When 2 curved lines are made to attach to each other, such as in set-in sleeves and neck finishes to necklines, be sure to measure and compare their lengths with the Curve Runner. Sleeve ease is one of the most important areas to measure. The standard amount of ease for fitted sleeve is between 1 1/4 and 1 3/4 inches. Necklines are another important curved area to measure. There are many pattern areas that are great to measure to be sure that they're either drafted correctly or to your personal fit. Thanks for watching.